Good evening. Uh, let's do a end of day review for today, Tuesday, 25th. July 25th, 2023. It's a Tuesday, and I think the market today, the price action is very beautiful. If you look at the DR model, you can have a very good, moving right there. All right, this is the 1 hour. We'll go back to the 1 hour time frame later, but first let's look at the 5-minute time frame. 5-minute time frame right there. So you see that if you follow the DR model, we have the indicator we build right here. So basically it break through the DR high, right? It looks like rejection right there, right? It pulled back right here, retracement right at 1055 something. It gives you the entry there here, also give you another entry right here, the retest at 55, and then boom, it reached one standard deviation right there. I think it reached 1.5 standard deviation right there upside. So if you follow the R model, you have a good day today. Let me see. I think we have to do the other way around. So right here to right here. So you have you have 1.5 standard deviation from the DR model. Wow, that is the DR model review. Okay, let's see how the DR model work in today. Right, so first we see that the London low, which is a sell side liquidity, were taken out, and then it go up, but it not take out the London high yet. But it's a pullback right here, and you see amazing that you thought so when the buy side liquidity were not taken, so you're not going to engage short. It's just a pullback in order to go up. So that's one of the conditions that we need to put in our database right there. Okay, London section low by sell side liquidity taken, but the high is not taken yet. So yeah, yeah, that's the condition we need to put here. Okay, let's go back to the 1 hour time frame. We want to point out something real quick. You see, so you see the last Wednesday, right? The profile for last week is Wednesday is the high. Wednesday high is the high of the week. So there a retracement pullback on Thursday and a little bit pullback on Friday. You see that? But it's in this range right here, right? And then on Monday we see that it wants to break the range and upside. Okay, on Wednesday, on Monday, and then it put back right there, right? So Monday is the day that is so-called reverse the downtrend, right? Wednesday Thursday and Friday is a downtrend. It's a short-term downtrend, right? In long term, you see it's still up, right here. You see, long term is still up, but for the short term, right here is a downtrend. So how do we identify on Monday if we reverse the downtrend? In order to see that, we have to look at the Monday, how the price is behavior. First, it takes down the sell-side liquidity from Friday, which is the low of Friday, and on the London section is a huge, leg up right there, and then it pulled back into the London section, the midpoint right here. We can do the fib right there. We can see, right, London right here at 5, or hold on, let's do this. Right there, you see. So the pullback right here is above, to close above 50 standard deviation right there. So it gives you a nice setup to go long right there. So basically it reversed the short-term trend right there. So the condition for this is have to be, first you take out low of the Friday, right, and London is leg up, pull back, and then you take out the buy side liquidity, which is the Friday high right there. Then that will be our target right there. So that's the long setup for that right there. So it's for reverse. This is for a reversal scenario right there. Then the next day, which is today, Tuesday, we can call today Tuesday, which is today, is so-called second day player. So we're gonna see if the uptrend continue, and it did, and how it showed to us. Basically, you see that London take out the buy side liquidity, which is the high of the Monday, and then it pulled back. Remember, it pulled back, it take out London low, but not take out the prior day, which is Monday low at all. So, and it pulled back into this area. On the 1 hour, you don't see much, but look at the 15-minute time frame, you can see it's very clear. That's the reason why we need to watch multi time frame at the same time, so we can identify how the price is operate. So you see it's a huge order block right here. It go back and retest this order block. Exactly. So it retests this order block and then it go up from there. So the first signal to let us know that it's going to continue the uptrend that it start on Monday. So this today, Tuesday, is a second day player, right? We just take out the buy side liquidity first, and then its retracement, take out London low and back, retest into the order block, bullish order block, then we can go long from there. Right, it's perfect entry, and our target going to be huge. It's going to be the buy side liquidity from last Wednesday right here. Right, look at the 1 hour. You see, target going to be the buy side liquidity from last Wednesday. Wow, that's a huge move for it right there. So how many is how much dollar? I think I got the wrong one. So $2 or $3 move right there. So if we want to reach right here, risk reward ratio very high, right? So that's a good loser right there. Remember, we are trade with the mindset that we're gonna be a best loser, because you remember the book, I think by Tom Harker, said the best loser wins. So we have to be the best loser. So we start with the mentality that we're gonna lose. Where you gonna lose? You're gonna lose right here, right? Because it gives you the high risk reward right there. So go back to the 15 minutes, okay? When it pull back right here, we go along right there. So as soon as we see this up, we go in, execute them without any, second thought. Or if you cannot go in here, you still have a chance to go right here. You see, because there are fellow gap right here. So it's auto block, fellow gap, retest. We can go in from here. 10:30. Wow, at the perfect time to go in. 10:30 is a time of interest rate based on DR model time. Today we know the high of the day and the low of the day. In this case, we know this is the low of the day, so we're gonna go in right there. Well, that's great data. So to summarize these two ideas, here's what we put in our journal. Right. So today is Tuesday. We're gonna do a setup called second day play. Right. Basically, it's a trend continuation. Which is the uptrend start from Monday, right? So Monday is the reverse the trend from Tuesday. For the Monday, we name it as a reversal day pair from the downtrend, right, of Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So that's an idea, right? So reversal. Okay, I think, hold on, I think it is a long setup. I think it's a long setup. I think I typed it wrong. So downtrend, right? So the condition is that the prior day low or sell side were rated, and the London also rated and strong light up, and we need to identify auto block and go long when on the retest, and make sure the retest is above 50-70% of London range right there. So that's the setup for Monday. And the setup for today, we have to watch whether it can continue the trend that is start on Monday or not, or it's gonna be become a reversal and keep going down, right? And today the market shows us that the trend continue from the Monday, and we see that through this indicator. First, we have a buy sell liquidity. The London high were taking out the prior day high, and then it retracement. It checked down the London low, but not Monday low. Okay, then we need to identify auto block, the bullish auto block, and fellow gap, and then we go along and retest when they check out London low right there. So that's the high level of the logic that the market shows us right there. So let's see how we anticipate for here from here to Wednesday, what the market gonna move on Wednesday. Okay, let's take a look at the 1 hour time frame. Can give us first look at 4 hour time frame. See we see anything. Okay, look at 4 hour time frame right here, right? I believe it's gonna be a very strong week. Look at the Monday. The Monday 4 hour time frame, the candle at 9, and then you see the same on Tuesday, the candle at 9 is huge, is continue the trend right there. Okay, so right here you have the inside bar, and then you see a pullback below there, and then boom, go up. And let's see how it gonna. It's a little crowded. If I zoom, it will be less crowded. But here's the phenomenon that we are monitor right now. We want to observe the 4 hour time frame, the candle on Monday and Tuesday. We want to see any correlation between them. So you see this Monday, the last Monday, the big candle right there. So from there you can go up right there. So let's see if this Wednesday is gonna play it's gonna be reversal. Wednesday gonna be another higher up the week, or it's gonna be something else. So let's say that for the bullish scenario, then the continue of the trend, right? So that's easy. You see that the buy side liquidity was taken, so that's a signal for bullish right there. Continue with the trend, right? Take out the buy side liquidity, and then we see the retracement back to what? Back to this right here, right? Auto block, fair value gap. You see the fair value gap right here. It's not exactly the fair value gap, but the implied fair value gap, and retest them. Let's see, tomorrow it can come up from here, right, and break through this one and continue to go up, or it gonna be retest one more time and then it come down, retest this auto block. So that's two-way right there. But we need to watch careful on Wednesday. Wednesday, I think in 2 p.m. Eastern, where the Fed chairman gonna have a conference, and that where it's gonna make a lot of big move, and the price is gonna be very volatile. We're gonna see a huge volatility tomorrow. We will go tomorrow. We're not going to engage tomorrow. We will try to engage on Thursday and Friday. That's our good rule of engagement right there. So far we see a big trend right here, and check out the buy side liquidity. And to see, maybe it goes short. So let's come up with some scenario around here. Let's look at the 1 hour time frame. Here's the 1 hour time frame. Do it give us some idea? I mean, after I take the buy sell liquidity, then if it continue the trend, then we would love for it to stay above this candle, or at least this candle. We want to stay above this candle. Why this candle? No, I think it has above this one. So here's the scenario we want to see, right? Check out and then it retest to this right here. But this one have, you know, just the bullish breaker right there. So when it retest this bullish breaker and then keep going up, check out the buy side liquidity. That is one scenario, right? The second scenario is that it gonna go where? It's gonna go down all the way, break this right here. Okay. Break that bullish breaker right here. Now I think the bearish breaker with a failure up, and then it can retest them around here, and then it continues to go down. It check out the at least this buy sell liquidity. I would love them to take all the way down here, this buy sell liquidity from, you know, last week. Let me fix this again. So we want it to be here. Retest this and go up to take the buy sell liquidity. The second scenario is go down, break this bearish breaker, right, and retest that bearish breaker and keep going down. So that's two scenarios we're going to see for tomorrow on 1 hour time frame. Let's see how it look like on the 15-minute time frame. We're out of 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, right here. Why we don't see that? What's going on? We did draw on 1 hour time frame and it did not reflect. You see, I think Oswim has some problem right now. You see, when you draw it on the 1 hour, but it does not show up on a 15 minutes. Strange. No mind. Okay, let's look at the volume was there. Wow. I mean, it moved up a lot, but you see the volume very low. Very surprised. So not much people engage. So only it's about less than 20 million share. Yesterday almost 2 million share. Now only 15 million share. But yesterday 71 million share, today 54. So it's about 15 million share less, 15 million share less right there. So today 54, so 382 million share. And let's see what is today. Well, we have some issue with the internet right now. We'll come back to it later. So basically the volume is kept low today. Alright, let's look at the, we still have 4 more minutes. Look at the 1 hour, no, I mean the daily time frame. What you want to see? We want to see what happened to we have an internet issue right now, so that's the reason why the Thinkorswim is not render the way we want. It could not connect. But anyway, we can stop right here. So basically we want to recap. Right, today we learned 2 things, right? When we look back, we see 2 things. On Monday is a reversal day player, a long setup for us. Basically a trend reversal from the Dow trend on Wednesday. That's on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. The signal first is the Friday low was taken out, and then the London is have a strong leg up, and right after that the buy side liquidity of the London will rate. That means really to go up right there. Then our job is to identify order block and go long on the retest or the pullback or retracement, and make sure that above 50% of the London section ran right there. And for Wednesday, we will call it, for Tuesday, which is today, we will call it the second day play, which is the continue long setup, right? A trend continuation, which is the uptrend start from Monday right there. And we see that the buy side liquidity was taken out right away by the London high. In the London section, it take out the buy side liquidity from prior day high, and then we see the pullback. It take out London low, but it did not take out the the Monday low right there. Then our job is to identify the order block for the gap and go long on the retest when it pull back to London low. So that is it for this end of day review today, and talk to you later. Thank you. Bye for now.